Hey guys, what's up? Mike here. Today I'm going to show you guys the Spin Master Gravediggers I was able to pick up at Target. These two Gravediggers, they're basically the same truck, but they are a little different in certain ways. This Gravedigger right here, this is from the Double Down or Demolition Double, I think that's what it's called, pack with Wildfire. And this Gravedigger is the current single pack, the one you get with the little poster and the action figure. This one, honestly, this one, I don't know if I like that one as much. I don't know why compared to this one. So the main difference with these two trucks is this Gravedigger, this one actually feels a little lighter than this one. And this one also has chrome rims. Now, there are a different couple versions of Gravedigger currently out to the public that you can get. And this one right now is my favorite, just because the clear coat on it is a little different compared to this one. As you see, it has more of like a shine to it. Also, the chrome rims actually makes the truck pop. I don't know why, but it looks so good. It really does. So that one's the one you get in the double down pack. This one, this is currently the single one, and there's actually, I've seen in other Walmarts and everything, I didn't realize it at first, but you can actually get the other single pack Gravedigger, and that one's got green rims with glitter on the inside, and the end logo actually goes to the end of the truck. So that one might be the original final like produced one. This one might, you know, after the first batch gets sold out, whatever, you might not be able to get this one anymore. I haven't really seen this one out that much anymore now. I keep seeing the green rim Gravedigger, and I honestly thought I had it until I actually really looked into my collection and realized I had this one. So one main thing people really want to compare these trucks to is the old Hot Wheels truck. And I currently don't have my full collection out because I recently just moved and my whole collection's in the storage bin. But by looking just at this truck and then looking at Spin Master's version of Gravedigger, you can tell there's a big difference. Spin Master completely outdid themselves on this truck. This actually looks like, if you went to a monster truck show or you ever seen Gravedigger in person, this actually legitimately looks like Gravedigger, which is pretty cool. Meanwhile, this one, yeah, it looks like Gravedigger, but so many, I don't know, you know, the truck doesn't sit on an angle, the body is kind of small. I mean, that's just the diecast and how, you know, Mattel or Hot Wheels did it. And this truck is also a lot lighter than this one. But, you know, Spin Master taking over and actually doing Gravedigger, or basically any monster truck now, just seeing the detail, the amount of time they put into this to make sure they got it right and everything is insane. And this looks amazing, especially when you compare it, you know, compare it to this one. I mean, which one would you rather have in the collection piece, or, you know, to play with, or whatever the case may be. Now, this truck does look a little bigger than this one, and the only difference is this one is actually a legit 1/64 scale. This one isn't. Also, a lot of people get confused with the tire sizes, but the tires are actually the same exact size. Also, this is just a skinnier body. So, I mean, Hot Wheels did good for almost 20 years with monster trucks, so I can't really complain with that. But the way Spin Master came on the scene and just, you know, everyone kind of second guessed them and didn't really know what to expect and all that. But the way they did this truck with just the design, the effort, even the little driver in there is insane. They did an amazing job. They even put the headers on the chassis, which was a cool little touch. I mean, this thing just looks nice. This is one good looking diecast toy. Toy collectible, whatever you want to call it. But the chrome wheels definitely make this truck. I wish I had the green one to compare it to, but I sadly don't right now. But this thing is just one mean looking diecast toy, and Spin Master, you guys did an amazing job with this if you guys ever get to see this video or whatever the case may be. Also, there is another version of Gravedigger. It's a employee version of the truck, which you can't really get. I mean, unless you know somebody or unless you work at Spin Master, you can get it. And it's basically the same truck, same body style, just that the black in the paint is like a charcoal kind of like, I guess like a metal charcoal kind of finish, and the wheels on it are actually white, and the PKT on them are actually either purple or blue. MonsterJamOCD actually has it in a video of it on his channel. I'll post a link in the description. But guys, I have to admit, Spin Master, they did an amazing job on this truck, and this was actually one of the first trucks I got. I'm actually going back to Walmart to pick up a couple more later on today, so yeah, expect to see more videos of reviews. And we got the 6-lane highway, so we're going to see some racing with these too in the future. And Spin Master, once again, you guys did an amazing job on this truck. It looks beautifully done, as I got something on it right there, but that's fine. But yeah, guys, this is it, the Spin Master Gravedigger, and honestly, Spin Master knocked it out of the park with this truck. So you guys did an amazing job on this, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.